All right, video 2, comparing plasma to laser. Today we're talking about the shielding gas. With our plasma table, we've always ran compressed air. Tractor Supply, Ingersoll Rand 80-gallon compressor with a refrigerated dryer and a few air and water separators. That's what we ran our plasma tables and still run our plasma tables on. Since we've acquired the laser table, we're running a screw compressor, and this does have a refrigerated dryer on it, and it does have all the filtration. The laser does run on compressed air. We cut a lot of our thinner metals with compressed air. The problem with compressed air is it does leave a slight little burr on the back, so there is a little bit of processing after the cut, but we also have some other options. The other gases we'll use with the laser is oxygen and nitrogen. We're using nitrogen mostly on our stainless steel cutting to kind of have no post-processing, no cleanup after. And oxygen is what we're using into our thicker metals. Oxygen just allows our small 2 kilowatt laser to cut thicker metals. So we'll get into our 3/16, quarter inch, 3/8, up to 5/8, running oxygen and really no cleanup after. So when we start talking about that comparison, this is a laser cut part straight off of the table. And as you can see, there's really no post-processing. This comes straight off the table just like this. Our plasma table, where you see there is some little bit of dross, we use a wire wheel and we'll get that little bit of dross off. The costs are going to be variable where you live at. That's something you're going to have to look into. Obviously, it's going to be a little more expensive running oxygen compared to running compressed air on the laser, but the benefit to running the laser is the cuts are cleaner, post-processing is eliminated, so you have to weigh out those costs. But it's a question that's asked a lot, and I wanted to bring it up. People ask us, what gases do we use? You can cut on the laser with just air. The plasma, we run just air. But on the laser, we'll also use oxygen or nitrogen, depending on what we're cutting.